Today we're exploring the word meet, a fascinating term you might not hear every day, but one that really packs a punch in the English language. So, what does it meet mean? Simply put, to meet means to give out, distribute, or measure something, often punishment or justice. Imagine a judge deciding on the right punishment in a courtroom. That's meet in action, carefully deciding who gets what, whether it's a sentence or a reward. The word has roots in Old English and has been used for centuries to describe fair division or justice. Now, let's see how you can use meet in everyday conversations. For example, you might say, the teacher meted out the assignments to each student, meaning she distributed them. Or, the warrior meted justice on his enemies, meaning he delivered justice or punishment. But wait, there are other words that mean pretty much the same thing, synonyms you can use to add variety to your speech or writing. Words like dispense, distribute, administer, allot, and allocate are perfect substitutes depending on the context. Each has its own flavor, so you can choose the one that fits best. For example, dispense is often used when giving out things like advice or services, while allocate is more about assigning resources or duties. So, having these words handy sharpens your English skills and helps you communicate exactly what you want. Remember, learning words like meet and their synonyms not only builds your vocabulary but also makes your language confident and clear. So next time you want to talk about handing something out or deciding on justice, try using meet or one of its synonyms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy vocabulary lessons right here on Thesaurus Thrive.